Hello everyone. I'm Bhanu Prakash Nanda from Consultant Council, and today we have Ms. Jayashree over here, who is a fashion designer, and she's presently pursuing her fashion studies, post graduation in fashion studies. So yeah, hi Jayashree, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Banu?
Yeah, I'm fine, and just wanted to know what we have different perceptions about fashion designing. I just wanted
Yeah.
to know what exactly is fashion designing.
Fashion designing is a course. It's a very elaborated course, just like any other engineering and medical, to curated to teach the students from skills and also about the materials, everything which goes under for making garments, accessories or bags. Accessories in the sense shoes, bags, everything. So every accessories, every clothes we wear, and these are being produced. So there's a head behind it. So designers are like we fashion designers are they are taught about everything about this industry. How is this industry? What do they do? What do you need to become a designer? No, the skills basically, and the knowledge about the fabrics and how do they design. It's not about yes, fashion designing. The fashion world is very glamorous, but there's a lot of head behind it. There's a lot of effort. There's a lot of time. There's a lot of skills, and because this is a very fast changing industry than any other, like in seconds we have trends coming over, we have different cultures, like being from India, we have different cultures and all different countries have different way of following their trends. So all of them put together, we this design a course, and it's very elaborate. Basically, it starts from very basic, from drawing to designing clothes and their technical parts about the machines also. So we have different courses like designing. We have fashion technology. We have textile designing. We have knitwear designing. We have different designings under these one major column.
Yeah, as you said, exactly. Designing the world is fashion designing. So
Yeah.
I just wanted and keen to know, how did you develop your passion towards this field?
So so for the time for myself, it was completely from my childhood because I was creative. That's what my parents have told me. I was all in behind colors and wrapping up the dolls with fabrics and colors and basically I was put into all possible skill developing classes like so dance and music and painting and drawing classes. You know that we studied in the same school, so those were very big plus for me and then I was not very studious towards no the engineering and medical, but then is creativity, and then if your interest towards it, and also support, no, that plays a very major role. And for me, my parents knew this industry really well. Like they knew that it has a lot of option. I was not sure, like none of my batchmates were into the same this one, everybody were into others. But I didn't know much about the industry also. I just knew that I'm creative. I need to get into something creative. Fashion designing is my thing. And then support.
Yeah, exactly. That's what matters. So you're just asking few people had doubts what are the problems actually the people who actually try are keen to pursue this particular thing as fashion designing as their hobby or interest, or you may say as their what we say uh, as their career. So what are the problems do they face?
So I'll tell one thing, the problems, I don't see it as a problem, but initially, like after 10th and 12th, from the time I'm pursuing, I have a lot of parents asking me, they don't know how to approach this industry. Like the lack of awareness, we can say that this industry or this course is also the same set of rules or same set of game like any other, like engineering. We have entrance exam, we have coachings, and we have different sorts of exam for different colleges. How do we have in engineering? We have separate exams for IIT, NIT. We have like no. state colleges. We have the same in fashion designing. There's National Institute of Fashion Technology. There's NIFT, which is a separate exam. We have NID, National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, and we have SOFT. We have MIT. We have some courses in IIT Bombay as well, and we have a lot of design courses coming. So we have separate exams. So the problem phase would be lack of awareness. They don't know how to get into it. And second, misconception of the industry.
Yeah.
That is one major issue. I feel like they are very nervous about sending people to this industry because what they see is the glam, but it is also also same as other industry, that there's a lot of hard work. There's a lot of production going on, designing going on. There's a lot of business coming up, like the retail side, the business side. So all of them need people, creative people. So lack of awareness, maybe.
Yeah, truly said. And actually, yeah, these are the few problems. Yeah, actually, I even being in software industry, feel that actually these are the things which are very much kept aside, that they're not very much clear to people. Yeah, exactly. So just asking, as you are a mentor of Consultant Council, so how can you help such people? Yeah.
So initially, I can help in areas like to the people who is entering with the process of the exams and how do you prepare it. And I'm just giving a default, like a disclaimer, because now that system has changed. Okay, so it's been 8 years. I entered this industry. It was 2013. So all the exams have changed, but there's a very basic preparations gone into all the exams, and that can be one. And also to letting them know what is this industry. Okay, like letting them know different paths you can take in industry. It's just not fashion designing. Just graduating from fashion designing, you have multiple vertical. And even right now, we going digitally. Everything is going digital. Everything is going soft from the hard environment. We have a multiple options. Even a smaller skill like I draw, even that itself I can mint money. Like there are people who needs drawings. There are people who needs only about colors. So with smallest of your perfect skill, like you can choose your vertical. So that's one area. And also all the basics, because I've studied, I'm also into the studying right now, so I can help with all of the subjects and everything I know. And yes, motivation, support with all the full interest, all the motivation will be there.
Yeah, you can say that is one of the major factors.
Yeah, that's actually one of the major factor. No, it gives, because sometimes not like our family might have people from engineering or other field to support us or to let us know, okay, you can do that. But coming from a family where I'm the only one who's doing this industry, this into this industry, it was difficult. So support is always, and your passion towards the industry.
Yeah, exactly. So the last question for the day, Adit. So there are many people who are actually trying to pursue or actually imagining to think of that particular field.
Yeah.
So what message do you want to convey to them? Any suggestions or message for them?
I would always say that stay super strong to your passion and find out a way to achieve it. And like, so when I say let's do everything for getting it, actually you'll do everything for getting it. Because when you have when you have a passion towards whatever you do, no matter how tough the game is, you will be into it because you loved it, because you wanted it. So
Exactly.
that was the only game I had. And because there were so many challenges in my graduation time, post graduation, and also the working time, there's this toughness everywhere. Only thing which kept me going was because I love what I do. So
Yeah,
at the process, yes, we still feel, okay, why are we doing this? It's so much of hard work. It is so much of hard work. It is no less than any other industry or any other course. It is super hard work. It looks colorful, but there's a lot of effort in it. So you stay strong to your passion, stay committed. Yes.
it was a very good message. And actually, yeah, that was a very, very, very. There are many points, important points, which actually we learned through you. So and also our perception towards industry changed from there. So thanks for giving time, and
Yeah, I was.
I like people will be keen to learn about this more, and also they'll come to you as mentor. Yeah,
Yes, I will really love to interact with students or people who's getting into this industry, because it's always about creative mind. You know, even the smallest imagination, the one small thing when you dream, you can create it, you can make it into product. So this industry allows you for exploring your thoughts, exploring your memories, exploring your emotions. So that's what keeps me close to the industry, and I'll be very happy to be the same with the people who want help.
exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you.